All right, just a little quick review. Not a review. What the fuck am I talking about? It's a little video. A buddy of mine is asking about the LED lights. You see it right there. It's got the cord coming off of it. And I mounted another one over there. Okay, right there. The cord coming off. You can get these LED lights. Either you can hardwire them or you can get the ones with the plugs. The reason I got these, they were on sale during Christmas time. I just snatched them up. And I just tie wrapped the cord to the frame of the trailer, and I installed the plug. And that other one, this one right here, controls obviously this guy, and so, you know, the other one controls the other one, and then it's wired to the light switch, which then in turn goes up and over, wired up there with all the plugs and stuff from the main orange pigtail. And then it goes out with the extension cord out to wherever you're going to plug it in on a job. But that's it, my man. The LEDs, kid. Oh, and another thing. You know, you got the kids involved. Some guys don't want their kids in their trailer. You know, my son, I like them to get a little bit more involved in tools. So in the future, you know, when he's finished with college, because this is not the life I really want for him, but he'll be able to do something with his own house instead of pay someone to do it. You know what I mean? So make it fun for the kids. Look. Boom. Put a little toy sign up there, you know what I mean? Alright, I know it's stupid, but hey, it works. And there's my boy right there, Homer. Everybody knows Homer. Come on. Alright, so that's it. LED lights, the basic plugins. They're cheap, but they do the job. That's pretty much it. Alright, take care.